We have got the potential for another storm this weekend, Sunday into Monday, but it is all going to come down to the track. Snow and strong winds with this one, unlike the last storm that was just about the snow. And with higher tides this weekend, there is a full moon on Sunday. We could be talking about the potential of some coastal flooding. So there is going to be a storm developing, and this one may become what we call a bomb cyclone. Bombogenesis is when the pressure drops within a storm more than 24 millibars within 24 hours. And this storm is modeled to do just that. In fact, as it continues to intensify going by our latitude, it is really going to crank up the wind. So a lot of wind potential with this storm. Take a look at one of our computer models. It is suggesting by Sunday morning, we could be gusting more than 50 miles per hour on the Cape, and those winds may come up over 60 miles per hour. This is the European model, and this is actually suggesting a track a little too far offshore to bring those impacts farther inland. But look at the GFS model, the American model. This is a closer track, which would mean more snow over the interior, more wind over the interior, and not just really holding those impacts to the coastline. So that track not yet set in stone, and until we can nail down the track, all of these things are still on the table. Snow, strong wind, coastal flooding, all possible, but not yet a lock until we nail down that track. So please, this is the type of forecast that you need to check back on as we get a better sense of what is going to be happening with that storm. In the meantime, it is cold, 20 to 25 our highs this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies to start. Few clouds increase this afternoon. Those clouds are not going to produce any snow showers or flurries today. It should be dry into tonight, and those clouds will break apart. So we'll call it partly cloudy overnight. Another cold night when you have this deep snowpack. Single digits easily in the suburbs, about 10 downtown. And some of our coldest spots, look toward Orange and Keene, below zero by tomorrow morning. They were below zero this morning as well. Sunshine continues tomorrow, but so does the cold. We're talking about highs only in the low to mid 20s. And then the cold is going to ramp up. Friday, our wind chill may hover below zero all day long as this new surge of Arctic air dives south. It is what is going to spark our storm here off the coastline as we go from Saturday into Sunday. And it's going to be all about the track as this heads north. Again, the closest track would be the biggest impacts. The trend this morning is toward that track number 2, which would really focus the best chance of seeing more than 6 inches of snow towards southeastern Massachusetts, but still some chance that we get into more snow farther inland. So we're just going to have to watch the track on that storm the next couple of days. Do plan for at least the chance of some snow and wind on Sunday. The storm would then move out on Monday with temperatures easing a bit next week.